Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm gonna try a pouring acrylic art. So I heard a lot about it. I've seen so many videos and so many beautiful art, but I haven't tried yet. So I just try it with a dishwash, but to be honest, I didn't get any result, and it was completely disappointing. But later on I tried to manage somehow. I tried to make it a piece of abstract art because you can do anything by playing with colors. So I just tried to play with some color and somehow I managed to make it a piece of abstract art. So let's get started. Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you like my video. See you next time.